Zara, you just keep almost doing it and then you don't. Come on. You're toying with our emotions. You can do it, sweetie. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Good job, Zara. Yay! Yes.